Nicolettes. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I actually wanted to do a whole pamper day, and I thought I would bring along with you my pamper routine. So these are things I like to do when I want to kind of treat myself, spoil myself, and take a whole day for me. So a me day. I did like a shower routine and all of that. So I will link that down below, but this is more for those times when I have a little bit more time to kind of spend on me. I will link any products I talk about in my description box for you guys to go check out. These have just been my ride and die pamper routine essentials. Question of the day, what is one thing you like to do on your pamper days? But that being said, let's jump into the video. Of course, if you're going to have a pamper routine, you have to set the scene. So I always like to just make some green tea and sip on that while I'm relaxing. I just find it really calms me. And also I like to light up my candles just so it gives a nice smell. And I really like to go for things such as lavender scents because it just gives you that soothing and calming effect. To start off, I obviously like to cleanse my face to give it a clean base, and I've been obsessed with my Ferrero cleansing device. This has changed my skincare routine. It's the Luna Fofo one, and it's actually a 2-in-1. You can connect it to your phone through the app, and it will actually analyze your skin so you know what type of skin you have. I just put my cleanser, which I try to go for more natural cleansers, onto it, and I just massage it all over my face, and I just find it cleans my face so much better than me just washing my face with my hands. And the great thing about this one is it's silicone, so it's super easy to rinse off and get all of the stuff off of the cleanser once you're done using it. Now it is time for a face mask, and I love doing face masks. The one I went for today is my Origins Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. This is really great for all skin types, and it's also a 2-in-1. It's a purifying mask that's going to draw out impurities, and it also gently exfoliates your skin and refines the texture and boosts radiance. It's really great for oiliness, pores, and dullness and uneven texture. So I just apply it all over my face and of course leave it on until it completely dries. Now, of course, moving on to the eyes, I like to do a little DIY, and all you're going to need is 2 slices of cucumbers and apply them onto the eyes. The reason why you'll see a lot of people do this is because cucumbers are really great for dark circles under your eyes, and also if you have any swelling or puffiness around the eyes, if you keep some cucumbers onto your eyes, it's really going to help with all of that. I will also make sure to list anything I talk about in the description box for you, so if you're interested, you can always check that out after. But this is the time I just kind of like to relax, take some me time. I let my face mask sit on, and I like to drink my tea during this time and either watch a show, or I've been really into reading again. I've been reading the How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life by Jen Sinclair. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I will link down below. I just find it's really motivating. It's a self-help book, and I just find that it really helps you kind of think more positively, be more positive in your life, and it's been one of the books that I've been gravitating towards, and I definitely recommend it to you guys, especially if you're kind of down lately or you're in a rut. This is a great book to read. And this is the time I also do keep my cucumbers on my eyes. If I just lay down and place it onto my eyes, I like to do that when I'm kind of just relaxing around with my face mask. Once I'm done with that, I just went and rinsed off my face mask, and I moved on to this next step. And this is the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment, and I've been recently using this and I love it. It basically uses red and blue light to reduce the appearance of breakouts without flaking or burning. It's UV free and chemical free, so you don't have to worry about that. But pretty much all you do is you just put it on your acne spots and you leave it on for 2 minutes, and you do this 3 times a day. And I've been really enjoying it, and it's really helped to reduce the appearance of any acne that I have. When I have a me day, I'm not wearing any makeup, so I like to put my Lash and Brow Enhancer by Hairburst. I've been using this for a while now, and it helps to grow your lashes or your brows, so I'll just apply a coat onto my top lashes and as well as on my bottom lashes, and then I will also coat my brows to make them a little bit more fuller and thicker. And over time, this serum is really going to help grow those lashes and grow those eyebrows as well. The The next step I like to do is use my Rosehip Seed Oil, and I just like to apply it on my face, specifically on the areas where I have acne scarring. I've done videos on acne scar removal, so if you haven't seen those, I'll link them down below for you. But I just like to use this because Rosehip oil is really great for acne scarring to help fade it over time. So I've just been applying it pretty much every single night. I just find it's really great on the skin, and it doesn't cause me to break out, and it also makes your skin super moisturized as well. I love to brighten my smile up once in a while, so when I'm going to pamper myself, I just use the Crest 3D white strips, and this has always been a go-to. I've always gone back to this, and I love this. Even if you use it a few times, you're going to notice such a big difference in your smile. It's going to be so much brighter. So I just take the strips and I apply it on the top and bottom, and these ones in particular, the pack that I bought is 1 hour, and it also comes with an LED light, as you can see here. All you have to do is keep the strips on for 1 hour, and once it is 1 hour, you're supposed to put the LED light on the top of your teeth and keep it on until it turns off. It's a couple minutes before it will turn off on its own, and then you turn it back on and do the same thing for your bottom teeth. And then once the light turns off, you can go ahead and remove your strips, and it's going to make your teeth so much whiter. I just find that Crest 3D white strips are really great, and it gets the job done, but I don't like to use these often. I will always just use this once in a blue moon when I want to pamper myself and I find my teeth are getting a little bit more yellow, but it just makes your smile so much brighter, and I just love having a bright smile. It is now time for a hair mask, and I love using argan oil hair masks. You can actually pick them up anywhere, especially on Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below for you, but I love to apply it onto my hair when I have time to let it sit in for a long time. I'll keep it in for hours, and I'll just put it mainly on the ends of my hair, and then whatever I have left over, I'll just kind of put it on the tops, but I will not put too much on the roots because I don't want my hair to look greasy or anything, and really the ends are the most damaged, so you really want to focus on that. But once I am done applying in my hair mask, I just put my hair in a top knot and kind of secure it like that, and I'll just have it like that while I'm sitting around doing the rest of my pamper routine and just hanging out. But of course, I'll just let it sit in for hours before I go ahead and rinse it out with some shampoo as well. A pamper routine would not be complete without taking a nice warm bath. I love taking baths when I have the time to just relax and sit there. It's super relaxing. You can kind of just take time for yourself, and I like to make a warm bath, and a warm to hot bath is just really relaxing. A couple things I like to add into my bath are just some Epsom salts. I find Epsom salts are really relaxing on the muscles, and it also is super great if you have body acne. I've done a video on body acne if you're curious, but Epsom salts are super great with curing that. And of course, no bath would be complete without a Lush bath bomb. This one in particular is a lavender one, and I love Lush bath bombs. They just not only make your bath super pretty, but it's just really soothing, especially this one in particular because I did go for the lavender one. It just really calms your mind and it soothes your body. It's just really great to be able to take time away from everyone and your phone and just take time for yourself and like kind of be alone and reflect and just relax your mind from all the worries in the world. But yeah, that completes my pamper routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love having me days. I think it's really important to have a me day. I always recommend to take a day once in a while to focus on yourself. The video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it. Thumbs up if you guys liked it, and before you go, it would mean so much if you guys click the subscribe button to become a part of the Nicolette's Fam Jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you guys want to see any products I used, I will try and link them down below for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!